PBS Kids.
Hey now, hey wow, here's how. Come and read between the lines. Come on, come in, begin. The world awaits. Between the lines, between the covers of the book, it's time to look between the lines. Behold the tales, beyond the tales, behind the door. Become explore. Come in between the lines. Begin between the lines. Be here between the lines.
Like a windy day.
Activating animation mode.
Come on, Lionel. Come on, Leona.
Green grass, blue sky.
Look at this there. This is beautiful.
What could be more perfect?
Aha! Ha-ha! The perfect spot for a picnic.
Looks beautiful. Absolutely idyllic. Oh no, the wind! Theo!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Stop!
Don't worry, honey.
Hey,
Everything's under control.
Mouse does not like picnics. It's too windy for a picnic.
I know. Let's fly a kite.
Great idea, Lionel.
Well, the wind's a little strong today, son. Look out!
Hang on, Club.
Hang on, everybody.
Mouse does not like kite flying. Now what?
I have an idea. Let's read Like a Windy Day by Frank Ash and Devin Ash.
I want to play like a windy day. I want to zoom down hillsides and race through streets. I want to scatter seeds, turn windmills, fly kites, wave flags, and snap wet sheets. I want to play like a windy day. I want to lift birds and butterflies in the sky. I want to steal hats, drive clouds and rain, sail boats, and make umbrellas fly. I want to play like a windy day. I want to shake the dew from a spider's web and help her baby soar. I want to blow through green grasses and crash big blue waves on the shore. I want to play like a windy day and fly with the leaves from the trees. I want to play like a windy day. until I become like a gentle breeze. The end.
Whoosh! I'm the wind, I'm the wind!
Hey, cut it out.
Whoosh! Whoosh! I scatter leaves in your fur. I steal your hat from your head. Whoosh!
Stop. Mom, Dad, make her stop.
Hey, Cubs, I know just what we could do on a windy day. You're gonna love this.
Oh, what is it, Theo? Come on, Leona.
Coming up next on Between the Lions, the E sound, made by the letter Y. Ready?
Hey, I'm hanging here anyway. I might as well watch. And so should you.
Windy. Y. E. Y. Rainy. Sunny. Stormy. Snowy.
It's game time, and welcome to the Blending Bowl. I'm Terry Bradshaw, and I'll be doing the play-by-play today for this incredible showdown. In red, we have Team Slipper. And in white, we have Team E. And there's the kickoff.
Slipper! E! Slipper! E! Slipper! E!
Slippery. Unbelievable. What a play. Well, that's about it, folks. And until next time for the Blending Bowl, I'm Terry Bradshaw. Hey, thanks for watching.
I Like It When It's Mizzly by Eileen Fisher. I like it when it's mizzly and just a little drizzly. So everything looks far away and make-believe and frizzly. I like it when it's foggy and sounding very froggy. I even like it when it rains on streets and weepy window panes and catkins on the poplar tree and me.
Can't make a word without a vowel. You gotta have the letters A-E-I-O-U. Come on, let's try a couple out. Oh, I forgot to mention why. Could be 1, 2. The sound they make depends upon the other letters in the word. The other letters are the consonants. Here are a few you've maybe heard. G-R-P-S. That spells GURPS. Oh my word! I can't say that word! Consonants need vowels! Let's add an A and an E. Grapes! Can't make a word without a vowel. You gotta have the letters A-E-I-O-U. Come on, let's hear another one. Oh, I forgot to mention why. Could be 1, 2. A vowel can change the way it sounds. Depends what letters are around. But there is one thing I have found. What's that? Can't make a word without a vowel.
Look! Popping out of the bushes. Is it a bug? Is it a squirrel? No! It's opposite bunny! A hippo is sunbathing.
Whoa! Hot!
Oh, hot.
Here he comes, the opposite bunny. Whoa, cold.
Uh-oh. Cold.
Oh,
Whoa, chilly.
oh, chilly.
Mmm.
First, the hippo was hot.
Then she was cold.
Next, she was chilly.
And now she's warm.
How does that bunny do it?
Whoa! Who was that cute bunny?
That was the opposite bunny.
And now a word from Mr. Al Roker.
Chili.
Oh, Mr. Roker. That was magnificent.
Thank you very much.
Chili.
It is chili.
It is.
4 seasons, a poem. Spring is showery, flowery, bowery.
Summer, hoppy, choppy, poppy.
Autumn, wheezy, sneezy, breezy.
Winter slippy, drippy, nippy. It's time for short story time with...
Whoa! Arctic Monkey Pants! Boy, is it windy, huh? Oh, what is this? It must be short story time! Rosa Loves to Walk. Written and illustrated by Sheila White Sampton.
Rosa loves to walk. Rosa loves to walk when it is cloudy. Rosa loves to walk when it is windy. Ooh! Rosa loves to walk when it is rainy. Rosa loves to walk when it is foggy. Rosa loves to walk when it is snowy. Brrr, ooh. Rosa loves to walk when it is stormy.
Rosa, no more walking.
Says Papa. The end.
Oh, Arctic Monkey Pants like to walk too. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Y-E. Windy.
This isn't quite what I had in mind.
We're not moving at all.
Yeah. Where's the wind when you need it?
Mouse is not moving. This is not like a windy day.
Dad, what you doing?
I'm trying to be like the wind and get this boat moving.
Blow more. Mouse wants to go fast.
Now it's getting windy.
All right, we're moving.
Yeah.
Hang on, quick. Mouse likes water skiing.
And now, get ready for another story that's totally cool too. Oh yeah.
Winter is the warmest season.
This is gonna be good. Watch out, Leona. Ooh-hoo. Now you're in trouble. Snow!
You can't get me. Whoa!
Leona, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. But I'm cold.
Of course you're cold. It's winter and it's snowing.
But I don't like being cold.
Well, just try to imagine something warm.
Like what?
Like, well, imagine it's summer.
Another scorcher today. This heat wave shows no signs of letting up.
Lionel, I'm hot.
I know. Come on. Woohoo! Hey, yahoo! Want to build a snowman?
No, now I'm cold again.
But winter is really warm.
What?
Come on, I'll show you. A nice toasty fire. Ah. See? Winter is the warmest season. Written and illustrated by Lauren Stringer.
Ooh.
Winter is the warmest season. Most people think it's summer, with its long, steamy days. But not me. My world is warmest in winter. When winter comes, my jacket puffs warm with feathers. My hat grows ear flaps. My pants hide deep in fuzzy boots. And my hands wear warm, woolly sweaters. When winter comes, summer's plants and animals sleep deep under thick blankets of snow. While the snowmen I build dance on top, wearing warm wraparound scarves. When winter comes, my iced summer's milk turns to hot chocolate. Cold jelly sandwiches turn into grilled cheeses. Hot soups, hot pies, and oven-hot breads make winter the warmest for the inside of me. When winter comes, summer's cool fans hide in dark basements. While sleeping radiators awake to their dragon selves, banging and hissing, and pouring heat all through my house. When winter comes, cats sit on laps instead of windowsills. Even nights are warmer in winter. Fires burn in fireplaces. Candles burn in candle places. I think parties are warmer in winter. And when summer's cool swims turn into winter's hot baths, I know my pajamas will grow big, warm feet. My bed is warmest in winter, piled high with blankets of plaid. Blankets striped yellow, and a blue starry quilt on top. In winter, bodies sit closer. Books last longer.
A mommy hugged.
And hugs squeeze the warmest. Even friends are warmer. And in winter, when it's the very warmest, and I close my sleepy eyes, I might dream of summer. Just to cool me off. The end.
Oh, that book makes me want to get all warm and cozy.
Me too. And I know just the thing. Be right back. Some hot chocolate, nice and steamy. Huh?
I'm hot.
Me too. Let's go outside.
Ooh, it's cold and snowing. Brrr. Coming up next, more about winter. Ooh, and more snow too. Oh, maybe some summer too, please. A little. Oh, please, some summer.
And now, Joy Lerno!
Hi, my next guest is a very cool friend. Please welcome Snowman.
Thank you, Joy. Great to be here. I'm a little nervous. I hope I don't freeze up. Get it? Freeze! Oh!
I get it. You're made out of snow.
That's right. In winter, if it's cold enough, the rain freezes and turns to snow. Hey, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Snow!
Snow who?
No one here except me! Warm in here.
I bet winter is your favorite season.
Winter is my favorite season, but not all winters are the same. Last winter, I went to Florida to do a show, but it's not cold enough to snow there.
What did you do?
I stayed in my hotel room and turned up the air conditioner. Full blast!
You okay?
Sure. Enjoy the cold weather, folks. I'll be frozen all week.
Okay. We'll be right back.
Snow and ice. It's very similar.
Little Seeds by Elsa Holmelund Minerick. Little seeds we sow in spring, growing while the robins sing. Give us carrots, peas, and beans, tomatoes, pumpkins, squash, and greens. And we pick them, one and all, through the summer, through the fall. Winter comes, then spring, and then little seeds we sow again.
Cliffhanger! Today's adventure, Adventure 77, Cliffhanger and the Giant Snail. We find Cliffhanger where we left him last, hanging from a cliff.
Can't hold on much longer.
Suddenly, Cliff hears a voice calling to him.
Hello, Cliffhanger! I am here to help you.
Where are you?
Up here! I am a giant African snail. I am not big enough to lift you off the cliff, but I will fetch someone who can!
That's amazing! Please hurry.
All righty, here I go!
Through autumn, winter, spring, and summer, the giant snail makes his way to fetch Cliffhanger's rescuers.
He must be there by now. Whoa! You've only gone 7 feet?
And your point is?
My point is that I can't hold on much longer!
In Alaska, here's what we like to do in the summer. Go for a walk. Play kick the can. Go berry picking. Help my family. Play basketball. Ride in a boat. Play badminton. Go swimming. Play soccer. I love summer in Alaska.
Big Snow by Lillian Moore. Snow says hush to the city. Hush your clang and din. Wraps the streets in quiet and tucks the city in.
It's time for Short Story Time with What is this?
I don't know. What is it? Snow.
Snow!
And what is this? It must be Short Story Time.
Yeah!
Ethan and the Snow. Written by Johanna Hurwitz. Illustrated by Brian Flucka.
Johanna!
Ethan sees snow. Ethan puts on his scarf. Ethan sees more snow.
Ethan puts on his coat. Zip. Ethan sees more snow. Ethan puts on his hat. Ethan is ready to go out. But Ethan can't move. The end. Artie can't move.
Oh, Artie!
Ready?
Ready! Blast off! Cowabunga! Watch out!
Lionel?
Yeah?
I'm cold.